There's breaking news tonight in the New Mexico school shooting that authorities say began when a 12-year-old entered his middle school gym, reached into a bag, pulled out a shotgun, and then opened fire. He is in custody. 2 students were wounded, 1 critically. Miguel Marquez is monitoring late developments. He joins us now. So what do we know at this point?
Well, we do know that the injured, one of them, a 13-year-old girl, her condition has been improved to serious, but the 11-year-old boy remains in critical condition tonight after this 12-year-old classmate of theirs walked into the school gymnasium a little after 7:30 this morning in New Mexico and opened fire on the crowd gathered there. It was a very cold day in Roswell. The kids had gone in there into the gym in order to wait for class to start when this kid walked in. Anderson?
Is there any sense of what the motive is? Have authorities said?
It is not clear. He is a classmate. It is not clear if this is a bullying situation, if this is some sort of love gone wrong between these kids, but the idea that he would have to handle it with a shotgun, just shocking.
Anybody know how the shooter got into the school with the shotgun? I mean, the shotgun is not necessarily a small gun.
It's not at all. The police saying that he had it in a bag. There are reports out there that it was in a musical case of some sort, but that is unconfirmed at the moment. But police did say that he walked basically right into the gym with a shotgun in a bag, pulled it out, and started shooting.
Wow, Miguel, I appreciate the update. Thanks. In Raw Politics tonight, just about the only thing that can turn